Okay, suppose it takes 20 hours for Joe to paint a house, and it takes 16 hours for Tom to paint the house. How long will it take if they both work together? Okay, Joe can paint one house in 20 hours. Tom is helping. He can paint one house in 16 hours. Together they can paint one house in how many hours? That's the number of hours. So if I multiply both sides of this by the least common multiple of the denominators, see what that is. 20 is equal to 4 times 5. 16 is equal to 4 times 4. If I write it like this, it's easier to see what the least common multiple is. If I multiply both sides of the equation by 4 times 4 times 5 times t, that will cancel out every denominator. So this expression gets distributed to each term. The first one, the 4 and 5 get canceled out, and we're left with 4t. Here, 2 4's get canceled out, so we're left with 5t. And on the right side here, the t is canceled out, so we're left with 4 times 4 times 5, which is 20 times 4, which is 80. So we have that 9t is 80. And if I divide both sides by 9, I should get the answer in hours. So t is equal to 80 divided by 9. And 80 divided by 9 on the calculator comes out to 8.8888888 hours. They wanted us to round off to the nearest minute here, so this is 8 hours and how many minutes? So we have to take this 0.88888 and go times 60, because there's 60 minutes in each hour. When you do the multiply, you get that it's 53.33 minutes. If we round off to the nearest minute, this is about 8 hours and 53 minutes. So that's how long it will take, rounded off to the nearest minute, for Joe and Tom to both paint this house together.